Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I'm gonna juice something that I've never juiced before. And because I have this new juicer, I feel that I could experiment a little bit more with some of the different varieties of fruits and vegetables that are out there to see if the juicer can really take it to the next level. Today, I will be juicing kiwi, some apple, and of course a hint of ginger. But before I get into that and load up the hopper, please do me a favor and hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and even the bell notification so you can know every time that I drop a video. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace. All right, guys, there you have it. Kiwi, apple, and ginger. Very delicious. Still some kinks to work on as the really soft items, but well worth it. Got a motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. All right, guys, this tastes like a Kern's nectar. Very delicious. But if you've ever had a Kern's nectar, this is exactly what it tastes like. You guys know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.